Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, if 10 to the power 67 minus 87 is written as an integer in base 10 notation, what is the sum of digits in that integer? Now 10 to the power 67 has 68 digits. That is 1 followed by 67 zeros. So 10 to the power 67 minus 87 has 65 nines and 13 at the end. Therefore, sum of digits of 10 to the power 67 minus 87 is equal to 65 into 9 plus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 585 plus 4, that is 589. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, a flag on the top of a mall building is 75 meters high. The height of the mall building is 325 meters. To an observer at a height of 400 meters, the mall building and the pole subtend equal angle theta. If the horizontal distance of the observer from the pole is x, then what is the value of x? So, let BC be the mall building and AB the pole. So this is 75 meters and this is 325 meters. Now to an observer at a height of 400 meters, so at a height of 400 meters for the observer, the mall building and the pole subtend equal angle theta. So this equal to theta and this also equal to theta. This would be a straight line. Let me erase it and draw it properly once. Now, OB is the bisector of angle AOC. Therefore, OA by OC is equal to AB by BC. Now the horizontal distance of the observer from the pole is x. So this distance is x. Now using this equation we get, from here we get x by root over x squared plus 400 squared is equal to 75 by 325, or 325x is equal to 75 into root x squared plus 1,60,000, and so 105625x squared is equal to 5625x squared plus 9 into 10 to the power 8. So we get 1 lakh x squared to be equal to 9 into 10 to the power 8. X is equal to 30 into root 10 meters. So the correct option is option B.